Michael, eyes up here, please.
Are you struggling to get your students to slow down and listen to each other? Maybe you feel like your classroom discussions turn into rapid-fire shouting matches.
That's not what I said! You're ruining the whole thing!
Sound familiar? If so, it might be time to skip the whiteboard and head on out to the pickleball court. Let me show you why. This is a basic dinking drill. In pickleball, if you get impatient and try to smash the ball before setting up the point, you lose. Dinking requires rhythm, control, and hitting the ball exactly where you need to keep the rally alive. It's the exact same skill your students need for healthy communication.
All right, next point. I'm poaching the middle. You cover the line. Got it. Yeah, I got you.
They need to learn to dink, to listen actively, absorb the information, and respond with control.
I think we should put the main bridge right here.
Oh, that makes perfect sense.
Not just smash their own opinions across the net. When you teach them to pace the conversation, you teach them how to collaborate.
And we can connect the supports like this.
If you want to see how we use pickleball to build world-class leaders, comment drills below, or click the link and grab our free drill guide. And let's bring Serve the Lead to your school.